You clicked on this video because you're looking for a sales certification that you can earn online. You came to the right place. This is it, the CMSC, the Certified Master Sales Consultant Credential. Why is this the best sales certification that you can earn online? The reason why this is the best is it's going to take you through everything that you need to know in your career. From prospecting to negotiating to closing. It's real world, it's current. It's all video-based training. There's no textbooks. There's no clunky curriculum that takes you a long time to understand. It's very simple, real-world, video-based sales training that, along with that on-demand content, you're also going to have the ability to jump into weekly live video coaching sessions with me, where you can bring me any questions you have. I can help coach you and work with you from things as simple as how to interview for a sales position to how to close deals, how to prospect, how to talk on the phone. This is the #1 certification out there. Let me walk you through how earning your CMSC credential works and how Easton University works. So what is Easton University and how does it work? Easton University is a combination of on-demand video training where it's you and I working together via short, actionable on-demand videos. There's over 700 mini courses on eastonuniversity.com. We're going to combine that with weekly live coaching calls where you and I are going to get together virtually. You can log in every week whenever you want and ask me questions in a live setting. I'll bring new information to you every single week that you're a member of Easton University. Once you complete your on-demand video training, you are going to earn your CMSC, your Certified Master Sales Consultant Credential. You can earn this in as early as 30 days or less simply by getting through all of the on-demand content. Once you do that, we will send you your credential. You'll also have the ability to do private video coaching sessions with me, or if you have a team, you'll have the ability for me to work with your team in a private virtual video coaching session. Whatever you need personally to help you grow your career, or whatever your team needs to be able to handle any single issue that you're facing in sales or business development, I'm here for you, and eastonuniversity.com has products and training that's gonna help you get there. Our content is new, it's relevant, it's real world, and most importantly, it's effective. If you're interested in learning about how you can take your sales career to the next level, give us a call at 800-628-1456. There's also a link to our plans below. You can check them out. There's many different options for you. We'd love to hear from you. My name's Matt Easton, and I'd love it if you check this out. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be #1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.